On a sunlit Mumbai rooftop, Aisha Rao builds a food tech startup that rescues bruised fruit into shelf-stable snacks. She recalls long nights, skeptical investors, and the instant confidence from a mentor who tasted her first batch. Her breakthrough arrived when a retailer ordered a pilot, pushing her to refine recipes, scale production, and recruit a diverse team. The interview reveals lessons about customer listening, farmer partnerships, and turning imperfect beginnings into enduring, scalable impact. Viewers are invited to start small, stay curious, and transform setbacks into fuel for bold, meaningful ventures.